Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cancel your Coinbase One subscription. First, you will need to log into your Coinbase account. This can be done easily through the mobile application on your phone or by accessing the website on a computer. Make sure you are on the main Coinbase platform, not Coinbase Advanced Trade, to find the correct settings. Having your login details ready will help you move through this first step quickly. Next, let's navigate to your subscription settings. If you are using the mobile application, simply tap the menu icon, usually found in the top left corner, and then select Coinbase One. For those on a web browser, you will find Coinbase One in the navigation bar or by going to your settings. Once there, look for and click on the Manage or Manage Subscription option. Now, to initiate the cancellation, you will see an option to cancel membership or cancel subscription. Click on this to proceed. Coinbase might ask you to provide a reason for your cancellation. This step is completely optional, so you can skip it if you prefer. Finally, you will be prompted to confirm your decision. Make sure to confirm to ensure your subscription is successfully canceled. After successfully canceling, your Coinbase One benefits will remain active until the very end of your current billing cycle. It is important to note that, generally, no refunds are issued for the current billing period once you cancel. Should you change your mind, you can easily reactivate your subscription at any time before your current billing cycle officially concludes, giving you flexibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.